Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be doing a clean with me video. I love watching these, so I thought I would go ahead and film my own. We're going to be focusing on my kitchen, dining room, living room, and then also the guest bathroom. So everything downstairs. This is just going to be a really quick clean with me that I do usually on my days off when I just want to pick up kind of fast, not do my whole deep cleaning routine. If you guys want to see a full deep clean with me, let me know and I'll definitely do that for you guys. We're just going to go ahead and get into it. I'm showing you the before. It's not a complete disaster, but for me, anytime there's dishes or the couch isn't fully put together or everything like that, I get a little stressed out. So I'm going to start with doing the dishes, putting some clean ones away, and then I'm going to be hand washing them. Let me know in the comments down below what your least favorite chore to do is. Mine is definitely dishes. I avoid it at all costs. Usually my husband does dishes and trash, and then I do the rest, and he does anything outside. So yeah, but dishes are seriously my least favorite chore of all time. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is finish this vase in the middle. I recently added red ribbon on my tree just to totally bring everything together. I added more red this year, and so I took some leftover ribbon and just wrapped it around this vase that I got from TJ Maxx, I think, recently. And I just thought it really put everything together. And I'm lighting a gingerbread smelling candle. Oh, it just smells so good. And we got Christmas with the cranks on in the background. So it's going to be a good cleaning day. And I'm just fixing all the blankets and all the cushions just right, because this is my biggest pet peeve when they are not fluffed right. Gotta get it looking great. And I love our couch so much, so it's really important to me because this is where we spend most of our time relaxing after work when we just need to wind down. And you also will see two of my dogs are kenneled. I do kennel two of my dogs and I put one upstairs. I know I have 3 dogs. I'm crazy. And I just need them out of my way so I can clean and everything. And we don't usually allow the dogs upstairs. So we allow one upstairs when we're cleaning, and then we kennel the rest of the 2. So if you see them in their kennel, that's why they're usually just out roaming. And then I just tied up my curtains just to bring in some more natural light. And I'm using a natural cleaner that I made just to clean up some of the surfaces. And I do clean the marble with just water and a rag just to keep that really simple. But yeah, I'm cleaning all the surfaces, and then I'm using Windex to clean the window. Oh my gosh, this thing gets so gross because my dogs put their noses up to that. That is our front window, and so they're always looking at other dogs and people walking, and they're always barking at people. So I still have not trained them to not bark. And now I am using good old Lysol. I know this is like a gem to find still, but I am using that to wipe down the door, the handles, and all the other handles in the house just to, be safe with everything going on. So I'm continuing to do that in the kitchen. I'm using this candy cane cheer scented spray, just adjusting the camera there, but oh my gosh, I sprayed a ton of this. It was like 90 something cents at my grocery store, and it smells so good. Love everything Christmas. And I'm just kind of showing you more of my decor. Cleaned up a little bit, feeling really good about it. And now I'm using my Dyson to just do a quick little vacuum all around the house. I love this thing. We recently got it for a Black Friday deal at Target, and oh my goodness, it is the best thing ever. So now we're moving on to the downstairs guest bathroom. I did not realize the last time I cleaned, I put the rug in backwards. And this definitely I like to clean because this is a bathroom that people use when they come in. We don't have a ton of people coming right now with everything going on, but We like to keep this one clean. So I'm just using Clorox wipes to really disinfect. Then I also use a natural cleaner and a toilet bowl cleaner just to really get in there. And I just give everything a really good scrub. Okay, so now I'm Swiffering the floors. Let me know if you guys use Swiffer. In a lot of Clean With Me videos, I see people mop or steam mop. Never use those. I've always just been a good Swiffer girl. I love doing this when I do my deep clean. I actually Swiffer twice. So again, if you want to see a deep Clean With Me video, let me know. But I'm just doing a quick Swiffer just to get all the gunk that my dogs bring in out. And then I just wanted to show you guys my Christmas tree. I love this. I think we got it from Walmart last year, but I just love it so much. I did the little crown thing at the top. I added some red ribbon, and you guys, I just love it. And yes, my tree basket is the one from Target. Best $40 I ever spent. I'm obsessed with it. And now I'm just going to show you the finished clean downstairs. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this video. Let me know if you want to see more Clean With Me's in the future, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.